tamariki mā, and welcome to another Discovery Time. My name's Ellen, I'm one of the Community Engagement Librarians at Napier Libraries, and today's tutorial is going to be on green screen! So how does a green screen work? Well, actors are filmed against the green screen, and then later they use a computer to take all of the green out of the background and put another background in, so it looks like you're somewhere where you're not. They use green because people don't have green hair, they don't have green skin, and so if we try and take green out of a picture, the people won't disappear. So when you see actors in a TV show or movie running away from dinosaurs, or flying a spaceship, or walking through a fantasy world, chances are they're using a green screen. So this green screen is at MTG, and they've very kindly allowed us to use it today to film our little green screen tutorial. So not everybody is going to have a really big screen at home. So what you can do is use a piece of cloth like I have here and just hang it up somewhere, maybe on a wall, and so you can stand in front of it and use that as a green screen. It doesn't have to be green, you just need to be careful that whatever you're wearing is not going to be the same colour as what you're wearing what's behind you, otherwise you might disappear. So we're going to show you how to do some green screening at home, and I'm going to do that with the help of my lovely assistant, Kate, the children's librarian. Hi Kate!
Kia ora, tamariki mā!
Today I'm going to show you how to use the green screen function on iMovie. You can find this app only on Apple devices, so if you have an Android device, check out our Android tutorial, which uses an app called Tiny Green. The first thing you need to do is open up iMovie in your Apple device. So iMovie is a purple icon with a star in it, so let's tap on that. And this takes us straight to our projects page. So to create a new project, you need to tap the plus symbol at the top left of your screen. And you'll get two options of what to create here, a movie or a trailer. So let's tap on movie. And this brings up your media files. We're going to put a video against a video background. So first you need to find the video you want to use as a background. If this is something you've filmed on your device, you can tap on video in the menu and select the video you want from the reel. If you're using a video that you've downloaded like I am, it'll be in your files, which you can't access from this menu. So you'll need to tap Create Movie first. So you'll find that at the bottom of your screen. So I'll just give that a tap. And that's going to bring up an empty project. So next I'm going to look at the menu on the right of the screen and find Files at the bottom there. So I'm going to tap on that, and that lets me search through the pictures and videos that I've downloaded. So I'm going to scroll down until I find the one I want, which is fish. So I'm going to tap on that, and that puts the video into my creation. Now I'm going to swipe the timeline to move the frames so that the white line is right at the beginning of the video. Next we need to put our person or thing in the picture, and I've taken a video of Kate in front of a green screen, so let's put that in. So in the menu on the right I'm going to tap on video and then all, and then I'm just going to scroll down until I find the video of Kate that I want. So when I've found it, I'm going to tap on it, and that's going to bring up a black box with some icons in it. And we need to tap the three dots, and that's going to bring up another menu. And this time we need to select green blue screen. So let me tap on that. And that inserts the movie of Kate over the background video, and it will remove all the green from the picture. So now it looks like Kate's swimming with the fish, which is pretty cool. Now if your green screen isn't quite big enough and you can see your background behind the green, you can crop your green screen photo. So you can do that by tapping on your green screen clip in the timeline, and it gets a yellow outline around it when you do that. In the main viewer at the top, two icons will appear on the top right of your screen. One looks like a box, another one looks like a couple of sliders. So we're going to tap the box, and that's going to highlight around the box in yellow, and it'll bring 4 yellow dots onto the screen. So you can drag these dots to crop your photo, so you can take out anything in the background that you don't want to appear in your green screen video. And when you're finished, you can just tap outside of the picture and that will get rid of the crop box. Now, if you're not happy with your colours, you can adjust them by tapping on the green screen clip in the timeline again, and then tapping on the slider icon, and that will bring up a little slider that you can slide to adjust the colours. So once you're happy with the colour, you can tap outside of the main viewer again, and that will get rid of the slider. If you're using a screen that's not green or blue for your background, that's okay. There's just a couple more steps that we need to follow in our process. So I'll show you with a photo that I have taken that has a pink background. So the photo I have is in my files, and I'll scroll back and select my photo with the pink screen. In the case of putting a photo in, you tap the photo and then you tap more and then green blue screen, and that will put your photo into your project. Now you can see that it's taken out the blue background, the blue Lego plate, which I don't want to disappear. I want the pink to disappear. So what I can do is tap on the photo in the timeline to highlight it, and at the top left corner of your main viewer is a button that says reset. So I'm going to press that button, and now I can tap any colour I like to get rid of it from the photo. So I don't want the pink, so I'm going to tap on anywhere in the pink, and that will get rid of the pink. Now you can kind of see to the left there that there's a little vertical line going down, so I don't want that either, so I can crop that and then tap outside of the viewer, and that's gotten rid of that line. And so now it looks like my Lego is floating in the water, which is pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm going to get rid of all of that, and let's go back to Kate swimming again. So this clip I have has some sound in it, so we can listen to that. Oh, Kate, you're in the water. Oh, you've got lots of fish all around you. Wow, that's looking pretty cool. Okay, so if you don't want any sound, if you want to put some background music or some other sound effects in, you can get rid of the sound in your video. So just tap on the video that you want, and at the bottom of the screen is a menu, and you want to tap on the icon that says volume, and you can adjust the slider until it says 0, and that will take all of the sound out of the clip. Now you may have to do that for both clips. My bottom clip doesn't have any sound, so that's okay, but if you have some sound in your background clip that you want to get rid of as well, then you can do that in the same way. So I'm going to put some bubbles sound effects in, and we can do that by selecting audio, which is down the bottom right of your screen. So I'm just going to tap on that, and it's going to bring up some audio options for me. So I'm going to tap on sound effects, and in the sound effects there is one called bubbles, which I'll just tap on. And that sounds good. So next to bubbles there is a plus sign, so I'm going to tap on that, and that's going to put the bubbles into my video. That looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to adjust the video so that everything is lined up, and let me scroll to the end of the video as well. So I want to make sure everything is the right length, so I'm going to tap on the video of Kate, and at the bottom of the menu there is, I'll tap on actions to highlight the icon with the scissors and then tap split, and I will do the same thing with the video of the fish and tap split, and then I'm going to highlight each one and delete. So now everything is the same length, and let's have a look at our finished product. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So now I want to save my movie, so I'll do that by tapping on Done at the top left of the screen. And I can give my movie a name, so I can tap on My Movie 10 and just delete that. And let's call it Kate Underwater. And press return to get rid of that. And to save the movie, I can tap on the export icon, which is the middle icon at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on Save Video. And this will save the video to your photo library. And there we go, we're all done. So there you have it, a quick intro to green screens. Pretty fun, eh? Why don't you have a go at home? Let us know how you get on. Happy day!